Welcome back, guys. It's Jason here, back with another unboxing video. And now you're wondering, what type of unboxing video will it be? Will it be regular clothes, like you said the last time? Or will it be something completely different, totally revolutionary, something we've never seen before? Neither of those. Okay, so a little bit of an update. So I don't know when I said this. It's been a while, to be honest, and I've been kind of going through a lot of the previous videos that I did way back in the day, probably a couple months ago. Slowly working my way through all of those, and it's taken me a long time, much to my own detriment, and I guess like the rest of the household, because they have to listen to me blare my computer up to like max volume and just listen to all my videos and stuff. Anyways, I made a statement where I said know how I said probably won't be buying any more military surplus until I move out or figure out the whole thing. Well, you're in luck, because I think I found a solution to it all. As of right now, it is March 28th, 2022. I think I may have figured out the whole gist. Right now, I'm a bit in a financial pickle. So my parents, I just recently had to pay off my car insurance, and that was like super expensive. You don't need to worry about it. But I think I figured it out. As long as I keep my purchases to a minimum, at most probably 3 a month or something like that, or a purchase every other month. So as long as I keep it minimal, we might be able to keep this military surplus thing going. I don't know, but right now that's what's looking like right now, because I don't want to have to wait until whenever I move out the house, because I don't know when that's gonna happen at this rate. They want me sticking around and helping to pay off the renovations, yada yada yada. Plus they probably won't know what to do when I'm not around. So anyways, today we have a package. Well, it came in, it came in probably Saturday or Sunday. I actually don't remember because my memory is garbage. It came in, it's from Americana Pipedream. A little bit of an update on Americana Pipedream. The owner of the store, Logan McGarth, has finally upgraded to a warehouse. So that means he can store more military surplus for all you military surplus collecting geeks like me. That's great news. So I'm guessing in the upcoming days, they'll be moving in stuff into the new warehouse they just leased. So that means the company is in a really good shape right now. Obviously, with what's going on in Europe, military surplus, especially in Europe, like if you're looking for European camo, it's going to be a little bit harder to find. A lot of it is going towards Ukraine. As long as that conflict keeps going, there's going to be a little bit of a shortage, and stuff is going to get even more pricier. He is going to announce a whole bunch of discounts, so definitely do take advantage of that, especially because with everything that's going on, military surplus is getting more expensive, and certain patterns are getting a lot more harder to find. I encourage you, if you're gonna buy military surplus, do it now. And if you can wait a little bit until like a discount pops up, do that. But I'm telling you right now, you might want to start buying military surplus if you really want to get into it, because stuff is only going to get more rare, it's going to get more harder to find, and it's going to get a lot more expensive. That's my update. Anyways, we're going to get right into this video. I don't want to make this video too long because I don't have enough memory space in my computer for a bloated video, so we're just going to jump right into it. This one is a bit of a bigger package, as you can see right here. Little thick boy. You guys by now should know how these videos work. I open them, we talk about it, we talk about the camo pattern. If it's a shirt, I try it on. If it's a pants, I just talk about it because I'm not trying it on camera. That would be very weird. Plus, I don't have the angle to be able to record me putting on pants. Not gonna happen. So what did you expect? We're going through the formula. You guys should know this by now. It's almost April. Can you believe that? That means for me, I got 1 more month of school. That means either A, I'm done with school forever. I just get a job immediately right away, so to speak. Or I find a place that'll help me pay for my master's degree, because master's degrees are super expensive. I go back to school for an additional 2 or 3 years, which should be fun. Oh man, you can really smell it. Yeah, that's that military surplus smell. It has that warehouse smell to it. You already know what it is. You already know what time it is, right? It's time for that camo. That camo connoisseur. Talk about camo. Anyways, what we have today are a pair of pants, and before I continue, there's some more stuff. Been a while since you've seen this, huh? Stickers, yeah. Again, like I said in one of my previous videos, I don't even remember which one anymore. I do not want these stickers. I have a collection of them. I already have an Americana Pipedream sticker on my computer, which I'm probably going to get rid of because the screen's kind of like popping outwards, because the Surface Pro 4 has this problem where after a while the battery gets bloated, it pops the screen out outward, and there's also the real possibility that the battery could get worse and it turns into an IED. Besides that, I do not want these stickers. If you would like one of these stickers, because I have a whole bunch, contact me via my email and my YouTube channel. It's somewhere, it's probably in the about section, or just hit me up on social media. I can get that to you. And we also have the infamous sheet, which has the discount. You guys already know what time it is. Get that military surplus while you can, because it's gonna get harder to find and it's gonna get a lot more expensive. You can thank the Russians for ruining your military surplus experience. So what we have today is, wow, this is really big. We have a pair of Romanian M1990. I don't even know if the light will allow me to show you guys, but let me back up a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see. The lighting in this room is awful. I should probably clean my little, what do you call it? Ceiling titty or whatever. This is a pair of Romanian M1990 field pants. They're kind of dirty, which I expected. I did a previous video where I bought a Romanian M1990 field shirt from another store. It was called Commando Store. They're based out of South Dakota. I was looking for a pair of pants to match the shirt. I think I finally found it. Ever since I stopped buying military surplus impulsively because I don't have the money like that anymore, it's just being dried up and it's going towards funding my mom's dream of being an Indian housewife. But ever since then, I saw that they posted some cool stuff on Americana Pipedream. I kind of missed out on that because they had some really cool one-off stuff that I would love and just never got around to it. But it doesn't matter. There's always eBay, right? But yeah, nothing super special. It's a pair of M1990 pants. Apparently it comes with a liner. Oh, that's what the liner is. Okay. And as per usual, there's a lot of yarn and string coming off of the thing because it's so old. This is probably like a 30-year-old pants. Nonetheless, I am very glad to have. Yeah, there is definitely a lot of string coming off this bad boy. That's how you know. That's how you know this thing is old. And it smells too. Oh my god. Yeah, so just take a look at that. Again, the lighting is not helping. I don't know what to do. But these are the pants. I ordered these in a large and hopefully they fit. I'm gonna try it off camera. If we're gonna take away the sizing and how it fits, I would overall give it a 9 out of 10. I had to take off 1 point because there's just so much string coming off of this thing. Jesus Christ. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to like vacuum my carpet after this is all said and done. This is the only purchase I made for this month because I'm a broke boy and money is drying up super fast because of other things not military surplus related. This is the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you think of the pants. It's definitely very big, which I think it should be more than enough for me to be able to fit it at this point. That's all I have to say. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you think about the pants and the Romanian M1990 camouflage scheme. I don't have to talk about it because I already did in the previous video when I ordered the shirt. They have the same camo as this one. This is the end of the video. This has gone on for way too long. I'm just delaying the inevitable. Alrighty, watch my other videos. I would love to see what you guys think of them, and I'll see you around whenever I buy something else or whenever I get around to doing an edit or a weird video or whatever it is that I'm doing. Just stick around, watch my stuff. Bye bye.